What's up, peoples? We're doing some mobile sawmilling today, and we got a bunch of pines and stuff cut up.
We've been here for the past couple
we've
of
been here
days.
for 3 days, all weekend, and today is Monday, so still cutting. We got some stuff to finish up. We got a couple more logs to cut, and then we got to do a little cleanup, throw some slabs away, and clean up our work area. We got the mill set up here. We've been here before. Let me show you what we got so far. So this is what we cut up this weekend. Got quite a bit of pine stacked. We moved all the other wood we cut during the summer, and this is what we have left to cut so far. If I think this poplar is probably done for. It might be a little rotted. We'll try to get something out of it. A couple oaks. We're gonna get all these slabs taken care of. Mr. Monroe, he built a new shop, so he had some woods cleared out, some pines, and so that's what we're doing, is cutting all this into boards. We also cut some posts out of the logs that were too small to make boards out of. Well, we could have made small boards, but posts made more sense. But we're gonna be cutting this up and finishing this out today and cleaning it up, and we'll bring you along. These logs have been sitting on the ground for probably about a year, so there's a lot of rot in the sapwood of it. We might get some out of the heart, but we're going to cut it down right now. It's about an 8x8. I'm going to slice this into 8-inch 1x8s anyway, and see if we can get some boards out of the center of it. But it's not looking too good so far. So we got 6 good boards out of this. Decent boards. The one on top there has a little sapwood. The rest are pretty solid. That's some old ground sitting oak.
Not sure if we're gonna get much out of it, but we're gonna try.
Not worth the effort to get a 2x2 out of it.
That's it for that poplar. It's out of here. Well, it's been a good weekend out here at Monroe's. Got some good stacks over there. We have some beautiful poplar. I wish we were recording that day. He's got quite a bit of wood over there. This is it. Got these 2 stacks here, and then these cants right over here. And right now we're just gonna go ahead and get this sawmill ready to transport and get it back to the house, and then we'll be back here to do the most important part when you're running a portable sawmill, and that is cleaning up. You don't want to leave a mess for the customer. So we'll be right back and we'll get all this cleaned up for them before we take the bobcat and trailer back home.
We're on the way to the house now, doing some quick checks real quick before we hit the main highway. Make sure my lights are working. They are kind of working. The hazards are on, but they're not. Whatever. Everything looks good. Blow some sawdust off this thing.
Well, we made it back. Just putting the trailer. We're gonna pull it up on the driveway, and then we can start loading all the mess and taking it to the designated spot.
Finished with that job, and we're headed back to the house. And we already took the mill to the house earlier. We just had to do cleanup with the Bobcat, so we're hauling it back now.
Time for some coffee.
No doubt, and a nap.
Yeah, exactly. Well, thank y'all for watching today. We hope you liked the video. Make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't already.
See you later.